In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Bybit 20 USDT coupon, walking you through the process step by step to make sure you don't miss out on this welcome bonus. First things first, you'll need to either sign up for a Bybit account or log in if you already have one. This is your entry point into taking advantage of the exciting trading opportunities available on Bybit, and it's as simple as heading over to their website or using their mobile app and following the straightforward registration or login instructions. Keep in mind the importance of having secure login credentials. Never share your login details with anyone to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, the next step is to direct your attention to the Rewards Hub or My Coupons section. This area in your account is designed to house all your bonuses, coupons, and rewards, making it incredibly convenient for you to access and manage them. You'll likely find this section on your dashboard or account menu. Navigating there will give you a comprehensive overview of any active promotions you're eligible for, ensuring you don't miss out on any offers. Now, while you're in the Rewards Hub or My Coupons, keep your eyes peeled for the 20 USDT coupon or welcome bonus item. This promotional offer might be under names like New User Reward or 20 USDT Sign-up Gift. Bybit frequently offers such bonuses to new users as a token of appreciation, and spotting it early on can make a big difference in your trading journey. Remember, these offers can vary slightly in name or appearance, especially if there are multiple promotions running, so take a moment to ensure you're selecting the right one. After successfully identifying the 20 USDT coupon, it's time to claim your reward. Depending on the specifics of the promotion, there may be a button labeled Claim or Activate adjacent to the reward. If you see a button, simply click on it to claim your bonus. In some cases, the activation might happen automatically upon completing any necessary verification steps, so don't worry if you don't see a button. Just double check if you need to do anything else. In summary, by following these clear and straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of your Bybit 20 USDT coupon. This valuable offer is a great way to start your trading journey on the platform, providing you with an opportunity to explore and engage with the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading with a bit of a head start. Thanks for watching, and enjoy trading on Bybit safely and wisely. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides and updates.